Gauri Pandey, what is your model?
Good morning, ma'am. This is my project type of bird beaks. First one is to tear and eat meat. Ma'am, like eagle. Eagle eat animal like snake and eggs of animal and extra. Next is to make hole in wood and tree trunk. Ma'am, like woodpecker. Woodpecker make hole for his house. Ma'am, third one is to suck nectar from flower. Ma'am, like sunbird. Sunbird has long tail and pointed beak. This type of beak help in suck nectar. The fourth and last is to cut and eat many kind of food. Ma'am, like crow. The beaks of with the help of his beak, the crow can crush nuts and defend itself. So ma'am, this is my type of bird beaks. Thank you.
The difference between eagle and woodpecker? Beak.
And the difference is that this type of bird's beak can to tear and eat meat, but this type of bird beak is to make hole in wood and tree trunk.